Tired of high-impact exercises that strain your body? Seeking a workout that combines strength, flexibility, and core conditioning but with a soothing touch? Look no further. Welcome to the world of PiYO Fitness. PiYO Fitness merges the muscle sculpting, core firming benefits of Pilates and the strength and flexibility advantages of yoga. It's a dynamic, low-impact workout designed to deliver high-intensity results without the typical strain on your body. But what sets PiYO apart? It's all about fluid movement. No jerky, forced or abrupt actions, just smooth and controlled movements that work your muscles in a gentle yet effective way. Imagine the grace of a ballet dancer, the strength of a gymnast, and the peace of a yogi, all rolled into one. That's PiYO for you. Breath control is another key component of PiYO. Much like in yoga, you're encouraged to sync your movements with your breath. This not only helps maintain a rhythm, but also boosts oxygen supply to your muscles, enhancing their endurance and performance. Plus, it's a great way to relieve stress and promote relaxation. PiYO is a beautiful blend of Pilates and yoga. It borrows the core strengthening and toning aspects of Pilates while embracing the flexibility and mindfulness elements of yoga. The result? A balanced fitness regimen that works your body and mind in perfect harmony. To sum it up, PiYO Fitness is where strength meets flexibility, where intensity meets tranquility, and where fitness meets mindfulness. It's a low-impact, high-intensity workout that combines the best of Pilates and yoga. It emphasizes fluid movement and breath control, providing a comprehensive fitness routine that's kind to your body, yet challenging enough to keep you on your toes. So if you're looking for a workout that's dynamic, effective, yet gentle on your body, PiYO Fitness could be your perfect match. It's not just about building a stronger, more flexible body, but also about cultivating a more focused, more peaceful mind. That's the beauty of PiYO Fitness.